So I can't believe that we're already in the second week of June and that the year is just moving along. And we've been in our house for a couple of months now, and I've just been taking the time just to take my time to just set everything up the way I want it to be. So here are some tips that I've picked up while settling into my new space, and some tips that you can use to make your house. The first one is just to determine what your style is and to personalize your home. Some people are more traditional, some people are modern, some people are minimalist, some people like the glam. So whatever your taste is, you just want to take your time to discover what it is, and then you can put things in the home that accurately reflect. So you also want to just refresh the home, whether it's a fresh coat of paint, maybe you want to change appliances, maybe you want to change gold knobs to black knobs. There are little things that you can do to the house to make it more personalized for you and your family. Sites like YouTube and Pinterest are great for inspiration. You can go on there, you can look at other people's decor and look at other people's style, but essentially you want to determine what is the style that works best for you and your family. So the next thing you want to do is make sure you keep your space clean and organized. I like to have a cleaning schedule. I have different routines, a morning routine, an evening routine, and things that I do to keep my home clean. And I also deep clean my home once or every 2 weeks. So you want to make sure you get yourself on a cleaning schedule, and you want to make sure you have a place for everything. I know some people that kind of goes by the theory, especially people with children, like, well, if I clean up everything, they're going to dirty it anyway. But it really depends on how you want to feel in your space. Something that you can do that will help you is to dedicate like an hour or 30 minutes a day just to cleaning and decluttering a space and putting things in place. The next thing to do is to declutter. It is amazing how much stuff we accumulate over the years. When I moved, I had years and years of things like stuffed in drawers, in closets, in the garage, and we were determined that when we move into our space that we would not be carrying on that same type of lifestyle. So we took our time, we gave a lot of things away, we threw things away that were broken, and we only kept things that felt good, that looked good, that was clean and in good condition. And thankfully that we were able to do that. But even if you don't have much to work with, the best you can do is just to keep things in this place and to keep things clean and add things to your home as you see fit. And some people use the theory that as they add things to their home, they also take things away. But just be careful everything that you bring into your house. The next thing that you can do is just to add greenery to your home. A lot of people love plants. Plants help to purify the air. They add just a beautiful aesthetic to your home. And it also helps you to connect with nature. Just choose the plants that fit your lifestyle, that are easy to maintain if you know that you're not a great plant mom or dad, and that can add to your space. The other thing that you want to do in your home is to create a loving atmosphere. What is a beautiful home if everyone in there is fussing or not speaking to each other or mad at each other? So you just want to create time in your home for loving on each other, create a space for loving each other, do things in the house that you feel will bring the family together, have game nights, to have friends over, enjoy celebrations in your home, and just make your home a space that people can kind of come in and feel comfortable. So if you're in the DC metro area and you've outgrown your current home and are looking for a new one, give me a call and I'm happy to find a space that will work well for you and your family.